Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding multiple accounts on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Twitter app and then from the homepage tap on the 3 lines button in the top left corner. Then in the top right corner of the menu that appears, tap on the Multiple Users button. You now have the option to create a new account or to add an existing account. To add an existing Twitter account, just tap on Add Existing Account and then fill in your username and password and tap Login. To create a new Twitter account, which is what I am going to do, tap on Create a New Account, then follow the steps to create a new account. When your new account is created or you have logged in to your other existing account, tap on the 3 lines button in the top left corner of the homepage. You can then tap on the profile image of your other account in the top right corner of the menu to switch to that account. Or you can tap on the 3 dots button in the top right corner of the menu in order to switch between accounts. The account you are currently logged into will have a tick after it. If you tap on Edit from the top left of the Accounts menu, you can remove accounts by tapping the red minus button to the left of the account and then tapping Logout on the right. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.